And that's simply because the immune system, the more you stimulate it, the better it'll work. So one injection gives you pretty good resistance, 2 injections give you really good resistance, and so forth. The more exposed you are to an agent, the more resistant you get. That's how it works in nature, right? The more you're exposed to an infection, the more resistant you get. And essentially, it's a smart system that learns from its experience. So one reason why you need booster shots and repeated doses is simply because the more you give, the stronger your immunity will be. The other fact is that immunity doesn't last forever. It fades over a period of time. That varies between diseases. And there's a lot of argument right now about how long it lasts with COVID, but it fades, and therefore booster shots, right, are needed. Now, in addition, remember that viruses fight back. And influenza is one of the prime examples of that. It changes all the time. It tries to beat the immune system by changing constantly. Year after year after year, influenza virus changes. And eventually it changes enough that your immunity fades. So if you just get vaccinated 1 year, 5 years later, you're going to be susceptible. So how do we play that game? We repeat with a new vaccine. Each year we make a new vaccine that's slightly different, and we basically keep up with the virus. So as the virus changes, so the vaccine changes. COVID's likely to be somewhat similar to that, so that you have these new variants, and we might need to change vaccines repeatedly just to keep abreast of it.